How to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to Xbox account. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your Nintendo Switch account to your Xbox account. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Now let's begin. So for this you will either use your phone or PC, that's fine. You just have to open up your web browser and search for Epic Games. Now from here you just want to head over to the official website, and here if you have logged in you just want to sign out of this account, and while you sign in you just want to sign in using your Nintendo Switch account. So from here all you have to do is choose Nintendo as your sign in option. So go ahead and click on sign in, which will direct you to the sign in portal. Now just click on Nintendo, and from here you just have to connect your Nintendo account. So once you sign in you will be asked a 6-digit code on your email, so you just have to enter that. Once you enter your code you just click on continue, and you will be logged into your account. Once you get to your account, you just have to click on your profile and click on account. Now from here, you will just have to scroll down until you see apps and accounts. Just click on it, and here you will see all of your connected accounts. And if you don't have it connected, you will see this connect option. So just click on connect because you want to connect your Xbox. And once you do that, click on connect account, and it will take you to the login portal for your Epic Games. So you just have to click on accept, enter your login credentials, and your Xbox account will be connected to your Switch account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one.